What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. It's ATC Jeremy, and I got something cool to show you guys today. Mail call. I'll show you what we got in a second, but first, it's Big Mac. We'll get to the unboxing in just a little bit, but first, come take a ride with us. It snowed today, but me and Big Mac are still gonna go try to chase down some canyons. The road is still wet, and the further up we go, we start to realize that the temperature just keeps on dropping and dropping. And man, there might be ice soon. Just in case you're local, this is Little Cottonwood Canyon. And man, I just love these mountain views. Yeah, at this point we decided to turn around. It just wasn't worth risking it. My bike temperature was showing 31 degrees, and like I said, the temperatures kept dropping the higher we got. So safety first, we're back down the canyon. At this point, the sun is starting to set, so we'll have some cool views on the way home. Man, those are some cool shots. Now let's see if we can get some cool shots of some city lights. That'd be pretty awesome. Okay, I know I've built up enough anticipation. Let's just get to it. Let's get to the unboxing and check out this new stuff. I'm so stoked to show you. So stoked to show you guys what we got. We got some cool guy shit. Bolts. Z Plus brake pads. Sick as fuck. Ooh. Take a look at those bad boys. And I'll kind of tell you why I decided to go with Lyndall. Oh man, these things are so freaking cool. Look at that. Let's take this one out too. We'll take a closer look here. Those are freaking coolio. So why did I get black Lyndalls? Well, is it because they're just amazing and the best rotors out there? Part of it, I guess, yeah. But the other reason is cool guy shit. Let's be honest. Most of what I get on my bike, and I feel like a lot of people do the same thing, is not because I need the best rotor out there. It's because it's blacked out, and I'm trying to black my entire road glide out, and this thing is gonna help me do the trick. So I get the benefits of better stopping power, but I get cool guy shit too. These brake pads, the Z Plus brake pads, are what Lyndall recommended. It's supposed to help to keep the black coating still on the rotor. I really hope it does, because man, it looks cool. But I've seen a few people who use these black rotors, and I don't know if they use the Z Plus pads or if they use other pads for better stopping power. But what it did is, if you can see right, basically this part would wear off, but the grooves between it would stay black. Which, I mean, whatever, still looks cool. And then obviously that too would stay black. The back rotor. You can't skimp out, man. You gotta do the back too. Just wait. Save your money so you can do it right. Why half-ass anything in life, right? That's not how we get cool guy shit. Damn, this is so cool. I'm so stoked on this. So I went to tuckerspeed.com, hopped on their Black Friday sale. If you didn't get on that, they had so many things up to like 30% off. I got as high as 20% off on the things that I bought. More to come, I'll show you guys later. And I really want to go over and show you my builds my Dyna build and what this Road Glide has on it now and what it's gonna have on it later. But for now, let's just stare at this craftsmanship. Man, Lyndall, you guys killed it on these things. You can see all that. Badass, dude. They really did kill it on these things, man. Oh, there's one more last thing I need to do. Actually, I need to get a titanium bolt kit for this. I have not done that yet. So I still need to do that. In the comments, tell me what your favorite rotors are. Do you do it for the looks? Are you doing it for the performance? Or are you doing it for a little bit of both? Let me know and tell me what you think about my new blackout rotors. Thanks for coming on a ride with me today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.